1. Walmart business model. It all began in 1962. Walmart, based in the United States, began as a retail store, with the USP of offering products to customers at a lower price than what is available on the market. Sam Walton founded the company. They first went public in 1978, and since then, they've acquired more than 14 companies, with more on the way. Walmart has launched a new vertical that includes groceries, food items, healthcare services, and medical services. They operate under a business model that eliminates the middleman from all business distribution channels while also benefiting the ultimate consumers by providing them with the lowest cost products and services. Walmart's primary goal is to dominate every market segment by providing consumers with the lowest prices possible. Walmart core business model is cost leadership. Everyday low cost, EDLC, is Walmart's motto to manage overheads. Keep watching. Walmart has 3 core verticals. A. Walmart US. Walmart US operated in the US. It offers customers products and services not available in physical stores, at low prices via its e-commerce website and mobile applications. The e-commerce website has a feature that allows third parties to sell products on Walmart.com. It operates supercenters, discount stores, neighborhood markets, and Walmart.com. B. Walmart International. Walmart International has 3 divisions: retail, wholesale, and other. These include supercenters, hypermarkets, warehouse clubs, home improvement, specialty electronics, apparel, drug, and digital retail. C. Sam's Club segment. With its online portal, samsclub.com, Sam Club provides various benefits to its customers, in the form of a variety of merchandises, which are not found in its club and services online at samclub.com, and by its mobile application. It also provides services such as club pickup. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it.